There's no doubt about it. Supply chain capabilities have been tested to their limits in recent years. Skills and material shortages, new ways of working, and increasing global sustainability pressures have, as you no doubt will have experienced, created a raft of increasingly complex challenges to overcome. And these challenges are coinciding with consumer demand and expectations, evolving and growing by the day. So how can you stay ahead in such a challenging market? How can you anticipate constantly shifting demands to make proactive decisions? And how can you accurately predict and mitigate against new risks, while all the time driving down costs and retaining your competitive edge? We believe the answer lies in data. Because buried in supply chain operations are hidden insights that have enormous power. The power to drive new standards in efficiency and sustainability. The power to make the kinds of smart, agile decisions today's fast-moving market demands. It's no exaggeration to say that the real-time insights and operational overview that cloud-based systems offer can be transformational. Electrical retail giant AO.com is using cloud-based Microsoft Dynamics 365 to gain a single view of their inventory and customers. And this is enabling them to continually raise the bar for their customers while driving valuable efficiencies.
AO is an electrical retailer in the UK and Germany. We've operated predominantly online for the last 20 years.
We've been guided by the principles of treating every customer like our gran and making decisions that would make our mothers proud.
As we've raised the bar for our customers, their expectations have gone even higher. And because we've grown so quickly, one of the challenges we face today is about how we ensure that our foundations continue to be stable enough and scalable enough for even more growth in the future.
So we selected Microsoft Dynamics 365 as a product that we thought would scale across our organisation, that was cloud-based, and that was something that was really important to us.
Being able to understand and decipher and manipulate the data is absolutely key to what we do. Our previous system was very difficult to extract value-added information. Dynamics 365 is very Microsoft user-friendly. If you know Microsoft, you know how to use D365.
As our business grows even further, the timeliness of accurate data becomes ever more crucial. What we get with Microsoft Dynamics 365 is we get a single view of inventory, a single view of customers, and actually what that enables, particularly through some of the advanced analytics and Power BI and things like that that complement and work very well with Microsoft Dynamics 365, is the ability to make better and faster actionable decisions about how to trade our business.
We're a hugely ambitious business. So this year we've opened our first retail store trial in the UK, and as part of that we've used Dynamics 365 as the back-end software to support those stores.
I'm very excited about the synergies this can bring across the business. The potential for what we can do with D365 is absolutely incredible.
Instigating data-led change like AO.com has done might seem daunting, but it needn't be. New cloud-based systems are intuitive and simple to use. If you know how to use Microsoft, you know how to use Dynamics. So why not make the leap today? Visit aka.ms/Dynamics365 Supply Chain Management to discover how Microsoft can transform the way you do business.